Welcome back. In previous lecture we have discussed about domestic Electrolux refrigerator. Now we will discuss about lithium bromide vapor absorption refrigeration system. So in this system, water is used as a refrigerant and lithium bromide salt is used as an absorber. So this lithium bromide salt has an strong affinity to absorb the water. As the water is used as a refrigerant, the temperature below 0 degrees Celsius is not possible with the help of this system. Therefore, this system is very popular for air conditioning applications where below 0 degrees Celsius temperatures are not required. So with the help of this system we cannot decrease the temperature below 0 degrees Celsius as water is used as a refrigerant. Now see the diagram carefully. So this system is divided into two parts, or this system is also called as two shell system, that is upper shell and lower shell, or low pressure cell and high pressure cell. So in upper shell there is a condenser and generator, and in lower shell there is evaporator and absorber. So in this system, generally the absorber and evaporators are placed in a common lower shell which operates at low pressure, and that pressure is about 0.625 mm of Hg. Similarly, the condenser and generator are placed in upper shell which is at pressure 7.5 mm of Hg. Due to this type of arrangement, this system is also known as two shell system. Now see the working of this system. Okay, we'll start the working from the evaporator. So in evaporator, water gets evaporate by absorption of heat from the water and lowers its temperature to 2 degree Celsius. Now this cold water is used to cool the water which is used for the conditioning purpose. Now as the water get evaporate in evaporator, that water is absorbed with the help of lithium bromide in absorber, and that solution becomes weak solution. Now this weak solution from the absorber is supplied to the generator or pumped to generator through heat exchanger. So in generator, with the help of heating coil or with the help of heating media, there is a separation takes place between lithium bromide and water. So as the boiling point of water is low, water gets vaporized, and whatever the solution is there, that is strong lithium bromide solution, that return back to the absorber with the help of or through heat exchanger. So whatever the water gets vaporized in generator, that water gets condensed in condenser by rejecting its heat to cooling water. So whatever the cooling water, that cooling water absorb heat from the water vapor, and the temperature of that vapor decreases and converts into liquid form. So whatever the condensed water in condenser, that water supplied to the evaporator through pressure reducing hole. As the pressure decreases, its temperature also decreases, and that low temperature water enter into evaporator which absorbs the heat from the surrounding water and produces the cooling effect, and the cycle is continuous. Now what is the function of this heat exchanger? Again the same like a previous. In heat exchanger, so this strong lithium bromide solution have more temperature, and this weak lithium bromide solution have low temperature. So this weak solution absorb heat from the strong solution, and the temperature of weak solution increases and temperature of strong solution decreases. So the advantage of this is what? As the temperature in the absorber decreases, that absorbent absorb more refrigerant, and as the temperature in generator increases, whatever the external heat required, that quantity of heat decreases. So the coefficient of performance of the system increases. So this is simple working of this lithium bromide vapor absorption system. So this system is generally used for air conditioning applications. This system is not used for this refrigeration purpose because we cannot produce the temperatures below 0 degrees Celsius, as water is used as a refrigerant.